a progressive legislative development, the Himachal Pradesh's Assembly has unanimously passed a bill that raises the minimum marriageable age for women to 21 from the present 18. The bill was introduced by the Sukhwinder Singh Sukhu-led government's minister and MLA Dhani Ram Shandil. Interestingly, it was passed unopposed and without discussion and will now go to the governor for approval. Among the reasons that have been cited for the bill are the enabling of girls to seek higher education and to avoid early pregnancy and motherhood, which may adversely impact their health and prospects. However, a contrast to the bipartisan support in Himachal Pradesh, a similar effort at the central level had drawn a completely different response from the Congress and several of its present allies. In December 2021, the Union Minister for Women and Child Development, Smriti Irani, had introduced the Prohibition of Child Marriage Amendment Bill in the Lok Sabha after a task force led by Jaya Jaitley made the same recommendations to bring the minimum marriageable age of women at par with men at 21. This bill's introduction had been opposed. Just take a look at what was happening in the House when Smriti Irani introduced it.
कि 19वीं शताब्दी में लड़कियों की शादी की उम्र 10 वर्ष थी। 1940 तक शादी की आयु को 12 से 14 किया गया। 78 में 15 साल तक की लड़कियों का ब्याह कर दिया गया। आज पहली बार इस अमेंडमेंट के माध्यम से महिला और पुरुष दोनों 21 साल की उम्र में समानता के अधिकार को देखते हुए शादी विवाह का अपना निर्णय ले सकते हैं।
Now, not only was there a disruptive protest ongoing on the floor of the House while Smriti Irani was introducing such a landmark bill, but prominent leaders of the opposition had also vehemently opposed its introduction for one reason or another and demanded that it be sent to the Parliamentary Standing Committee, which eventually it was. Watch what happened in December 2021 after the bill was introduced.
हम ये बिल इसका इंट्रोडक्शन का विरोध करता हूं क्योंकि 18 लॉ कमीशन में कंसल्टेशन पेपर जो रिफॉर्म्स ऑफ फैमिली लॉ है उसमें भी लिखा गया है दैट द लीगल एज फॉर majority should be recognized uniformly. 18 years should be recognized uniformly as the legal age for marriage for men and women alike. ये लॉ कमीशन का रिपोर्ट है। इस बिल के द्वारा विभिन्न पर्सनल लॉज इफेक्ट होंगे, इसीलिए हम चाहते हैं कि ग्रेटर स्क्रूटिनी के लिए स्टैंडिंग कमेटी में भेजा जाना चाहिए।
The introduction of the Prohibition of Child Marriage Amendment Bill 2021. As it is, I oppose the way in which the government has brought this bill in a hurry. This bill needs total discussion among all stakeholders. The minority people are totally opposed to this bill.
Second or third time consecutively they aggressively bring in bills and nobody from the opposition is consulted. Whatever is discussed in the Business Advisory Committee is never implemented on the floor of the House. So I first want to condemn this new practice this government is doing. They want a bill, the bill needs to be scrutinized, all stakeholders should be consulted, and then I think we must unanimously pass any reforms. If they are got to do with women, I think if you are trying to empower people, you must consult all stakeholders.
Is against right to freedom of under Article 19. An 18-year-old can choose a prime minister, can have a live-in relationship, can have a sexual relation under POSCO Act, but you are denying them right to marriage. What have you done for the 18-year-old? The women labor participant force in India is lower than Somalia. Your Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, 89% funds were used by Narendra Modi for his publicity. This is a retrogressive step. This should be taken back. This is against the 18-year-old. Thank you, sir.
So the Parliamentary Committee, however, sought extension after extension and the bill eventually lapsed after the 17th Lok Sabha tenure ended a few months ago, seemingly leaving the landmark reform dead in the water. Now, the Himachal bill passage raises question marks over the opposition party's stances. The Congress party in particular has hailed the move as a progressive step now. which is clearly was not what it wanted to do openly just 3 years back. Listen in.
Himachal government's decision is a very progressive decision. The women's health as well as women's ability to women's age of marrying is a decision which the girl must be allowed to take it, and for that their education to complete their graduation is the age limit of 21 will be very useful, because that's a progressive step with the Congress government has taken it, and Congress always stands with that kind of progressive steps.
My colleague Amandeep is joining us on the broadcast with the politics that's playing out around it. Amandeep, same laws, same party, different years and a completely different stand. What the Congress party opposed just a few years ago is being hailed today.
Well, absolutely. The point is that this bill was introduced by Minister Dhani Ram Shandela in Himachal Pradesh Assembly. And in fact, this bill has been passed unanimously, and further this bill has been sent to the governor for the approval. But no one has opposed. And in fact, the Congress party did not make any kind of concern what had happened in 2021 when this bill was introduced in the parliament also. So now this is on the floor of the House discussed and given the reason that the marriage age of females in the state will be 21 in
Okay, all right. Amandeep, we seem to be facing technical difficulties. My sincere apologies to our viewers. We'll try and reconnect that line. But we just played out for you what was the Congress party's reaction back in 2021 when the centre had introduced the bill, and now when the same laws are being brought into Himachal Pradesh. So it's a progressive development. The Himachal Pradesh Assembly has unanimously passed a bill that raises the minimum marriageable age for women to 21. Remember, it's currently at 18. It has been increased to 21. It's being hailed by the Congress party itself, of course, saying that this is a progressive step that has been taken by its government in Himachal Pradesh. It has been unanimously passed. But the question being, why is it that the Congress party refused to extend the same support when the centre had brought in this very bill? Amandeep, back with us. Amandeep, the question is politics above laws? That's a question, because in Himachal Pradesh it has been passed unanimously, but when the centre tried to bring in it was the very same Congress party that opposed it.
Well, absolutely, Pratibha. This shows that Himachal Pradesh government and Chief Minister Sukhvinder Singh Sukhu must have not concerned with the Congress High Command regarding while introducing this bill in Himachal Pradesh Assembly. Just because when they introduced the bill in the Assembly on the floor of the House, it has been unanimously passed. No one has opposed, and Congress Minister Dhani Ram Shandela himself giving the reason that now the time has come to raise the age of the females in the state of Himachal Pradesh from 18 to 21. So that means the marriageable age minimum is 21, and now the bill has sent to the governor for the approval as well. But no politics has been played out. Not only a single Congress man has raised this point, even inside the party also, that this bill was opposed in 2021 by the Congress party during the parliament session when Smriti Irani has introduced this bill in the parliament. And in fact, now they have also mentioned in the bill that this will be implemented to all the females who are having the domicile of Himachal Pradesh, and even the amendments will be made in the other private laws to the different religions. So that means it will be implemented in the state of Himachal Pradesh, and in fact it is a clear-cut indication that Congress party in the state of Himachal Pradesh have not has not discussed this bill before introducing with the High Command. So one side they are opposing. In 2021 that bill was opposed, and now their own state is passing their bill in the state of Himachal Pradesh without any disruption. So it is a clear-cut indication that state has its own policy, but the centre is not being taken in the loop when this bill has been introduced. Yes, Pratibha.
Okay, all right. So politics playing out around it. In fact, we just played out the reactions in 2021 as well. When Smriti Irani had introduced it, there was absolute chaos within the parliament, with the opposition leaders even raising slogans in the parliament. And we all know the fate of it. It was finally junked. In fact, listen to what had happened when the opposition raised an objection to it in 2021. This is when the centre had brought in the bill.
कि 19वीं शताब्दी में लड़कियों की शादी की उम्र 10 वर्ष थी। 1940 तक शादी की आयु को 12 से 14 किया गया। 78 में 15 साल तक की लड़कियों का ब्याह कर दिया गया। आज पहली बार इस अमेंडमेंट के माध्यम से महिला और पुरुष दोनों 21 साल की उम्र में समानता के अधिकार को देखते हुए शादी विवाह का अपना निर्णय ले सकते हैं।
So the Congress party will have a lot of explaining to do. Has its stance changed from what happened in 2021? If yes, now if the centre brings in the bill, will it support it or not remains a question.